once our development is ready, I mean this is our development, right? So once it is ready, now it's time we can run this thing or deploy this thing in some server. I'm going to use Netlify to to serve my website. Okay, so but before doing that, we need to push this code to GitHub, right? So I'm going to open the terminal, and I'm going to, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can push this code to GitHub, and after that we'll see how we can publish that website through Netlify. So here we are in the current root directory. If we type pwd, so here we are inside this folder, right? And we modified everything. And here, if we check carefully, UA something is there. That means these are the untracked file, and these are the git module something is there. Okay, so what you need to do, we need to add everything first. I'm going to type the command git add, then space dot, like this. So it will add everything. And after that, I'm going to push this. I'm going to commit this thing. By this line, we are staging this thing. And then after that, I'm going to type git commit, and then -m, then a comment fast Hugo website save. Okay, then we have to hit return key, and here it will show us everything that it is added everything. And if we type the command git status, we'll see that we are in the main branch and everything, nothing to commit, everything is fine. Now we need to create on GitHub repo over there. So I'm going to jump here, github.com, and over here I'm going to create a new website or new repo. From here we can press this new button, or we can click here, create new. It will bring this menu. From here I'm going to choose new repository, and very shortly it will open like this. And here I'm going to name the site as like this thing. This is called, let me go to that folder. So here is Finder downloads. So this is the folder, right? So I'm going to copy this thing, this name, FewSteps. So now I'm going to jump to the GitHub, and I'm going to paste the name, and it is showing that it is available. FewSteps is available. Okay, and I'm going to choose visibility is public, that is fine. And then I'm going to press create repository, this button, and very shortly it will create the repository, and it will be looking like this. So now we need to push our local code to here, right? So we can type the command here in the terminal git, then we need to push this thing to over there, right? Git remote. We need to, at first we need to connect from here to this server, like GitHub server. Go to remote, then add origin, and then we have to type the URL of this repository, this one. So this repository, so here we can easily check. So this is the repository name. We can directly copy by clicking here. We can directly copy this thing, and then I'm going to jump to this terminal. I'm going to paste it over there, and it will be looking like this: git remote repository add origin, like this. And then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly it will finish connecting this thing. If there is any error, then we have to fix those error, otherwise this is fine. Now we need to push this code. We can type the command. Now we need to push this code. We can type the command git push, then origin, and we're trying to push in the main branch, right? So this is the main branch. So I'm going to type main, and then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly it will try to push. And once everything is done, then we will see this type of message. And now come to this website, like github.com. Now I'm going to refresh, and after refresh you will see all files will be there. So I'm going to reload, and here we go. So here I see everything is there, right? So here is the pages, whatever with themes, basically themes folder, and this is the theme basically created. And also if we go to the content, so this is the home page, index page. Here we are seeing, so this is the content we created. Title is this one. This is the code, Udemy coupon. This page also we created. So both pages are there, everything is there. That means we are successfully pushed our code from our which is called from our Hugo's local host, I mean local repository, to this remote repository. And in the next video basically we'll see how we can deploy this thing to Netlify, and using some URL we can directly access the website.